Question number 17 is, how long do we expect an air source heat pump to last when it's installed? This is a very tricky one. It's a bit like kind of an unanswerable question, but let's refer it back to boilers. When you go and buy your gas boiler from your plumber or from your supplier, typically they'd have a life expectancy of something like 10 to 15 years. But I'm sure you, like I, know someone who's got a boiler which might have gone wrong quicker than that. And of course, there's also people who have boilers which are much older than that. So as a rule, 10, 15 years seems about right. This is pretty much the same with an air source heat pump. If it's installed well and it's looked after well, you should definitely expect to see a life expectancy of 10 to 15 years. Quite often when I'm asked this question at exhibitions and things like that, I say to people 11 years, 7 months. The reason for this figure, it doesn't sound like I made it up, but I did. But it sounds like it's really scientific. So if you ever hear 11 years, 7 months, somebody's just telling you something which is a more scientific figure than 10 to 15 years.